Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're getting up close and personal with the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario GT3, a Lamborghini's bold leap into the next generation of GT racing. What makes it special? How does it stack against its predecessor, the and GT3? Let's dive in. The Temerario GT3 is the racing variant based on Lamborghini's upcoming road car, the Lamborghini Temerario. Unlike many past GT racers adapted from road cars, this project was conceived from the start with a racing derivative in mind, meaning many components and systems were designed with both road and track use in consideration. It will replace the and GT3 Evo 2 as Lamborghini's flagship GT3 entry. The first competitive appearances are targeted for 2026. With the 12 Hours of Sebring being a likely debut event. One of the most significant shifts is how the GT3 version differs from the road car. The road-legal Temerario uses a twin-turbo V8 plus hybrid, electric motors, system. In the GT3 version, the hybrid elements are removed because GT3 regulations currently don't allow hybrid propulsion. The engine is fundamentally the same internal combustion block from the road car. Same pistons, rods, block, but with racer-specific turbochargers and tuning to suit GT3 balance and reliability. Power output is expected to be capped, per GT3 norms, to around 550 horsepower. Transmission in the GT3 version is a 6-speed transverse gearbox, rather than the 8-speed DCT used in the road car. The Temerario GT3 retains an aluminium space frame chassis derived from the production model, with modifications to support racing demands and serviceability. The front and rear subframes are designed to be easily removable in the pits to speed repairs or changes. The car's dimensions have changed. It features a longer wheelbase and wider track at both ends compared to the and GT3, aiming for improved cornering stability. Aerodynamics and bodywork are constructed in carbon composite, with an emphasis on balance in downforce and drag, while preserving much of the visual DNA of the road car. For suspension, Lamborghini has moved to 6-way adjustable dampers, versus a 4-way setup in the N, to offer more tuning flexibility. They also removed the need for carbon inserts in mounting points, opting for mounting plates for easier servicing. Wheels are 18-inch supplied by AGA standard size for many GT3 series. Lamborghini factory drivers, for example Marco Mappelli, Andrea Caldarelli, contributed to the development of cockpit ergonomics, ensuring usability under race stress. The electronics suite is updated, new switchgear, driver interface, a more capable data logger, and reworked software tuned for motorsport. The steering rack is custom hydraulic, optimized to coordinate well across various tire manufacturers, to allow teams flexibility in tire choice. Wider adjustment window drivability. The car's design philosophy emphasizes forgiveness. In other words, it should deliver strong performance while being more manageable for gentleman drivers in addition to professionals. Ease of maintenance, faster turnaround. The modular subframes and removable body sections reduce pit times when repairs or changes are needed. Customer-centric design. The car is built to support privateer teams, offering greater setup bandwidth and servicing flexibility. Because of the removal of the hybrid system, for GT3 compliance, the internal combustion engine is less stressed for the same output, potentially improving engine longevity and lowering rebuild costs. Lamborghini acknowledges limited production capacity. The road car is a priority, so initially fewer GT3 chassis may be available. In 2026, the older and GT3 Evo 2 will still be on track in many series until the transition is complete. Lamborghini plans a step-by-step rollout rather than a full global launch all at once, focusing on select series. Before the first race, there will be sanction tests, for example in November, to satisfy homologation, balance of performance, BOP, scrutineering etc. The Temerario GT3 marks Lamborghini's first GT3 car developed fully in-house from the outset, rather than being retrofitted from an existing chassis. This is a symbolic and technical shift. Lamborghini is doubling down on motorsports as part of its brand identity. With the SC63 LMDH program being paused, the GT3 effort becomes even more important in Lamborghini's racing portfolio. For fans and privateers, the Temerario GT3 could herald a new era of competitiveness, adjustability, and reliability in GT3 series. Please, like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.